The most important object in our game is the spaceship, so we'll start with that. In Scratch, objects are living pictures called sprites. Sprites can have various attributes and functions associated with them. Attributes are things like appearance, so what does it look like? And in Scratch, the appearance of a sprite is known as a costume. Each sprite can have one or more costumes. The next attribute is position. Where is the rocket ship on the screen? And the last attribute is speed. How fast is it moving? The spaceship object is going to have three functions: steering, to move it from side to side; thrust, to move it up and away from the moon; and gravity, to pull it down toward the moon. So to create the sprite, we're going to start by clicking the Choose a Sprite icon. Next, type rocket in the search oval, then click on the rocket ship icon to create the rocket ship sprite in the script workspace. For more great videos, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.